Hey guys, Aaron here. Today we're going to be replacing the battery on a GMC Acadia. Now, as you may or may not already know, the battery is not underneath the hood. It's going to actually be behind the passenger seat center console area. So before we begin with this replacement, let's go ahead and go over everything we're going to need to get the job done. Alright, so to replace this battery, we're going to need a 3/8 ratchet, a 3/8 6-inch extension, a 10mm socket, 13mm socket, a T15 Torx bit, and also our 48 group size battery. You can get these at any auto parts store, including the dealer. Now the first thing that we're going to have to do is remove the carpet here. To do that, simply just take these little turn knobs and twist them to where our carpet can be removed. Next, we're going to have to just simply take our hands and remove this center trim piece. Now with the two trim pieces removed, you can see we have a lot better access to where the battery sits. Go ahead, take your T15 Torx and remove the single screw right here. Set the screw aside and simply lift up on this cover. There's our battery. Next step, using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the two battery cables and terminals. And just bend them out of the way. Next step is with a 13mm socket or a 1/2 inch. Go ahead and remove the bolt that holds down the clamp. Now using the handle, go ahead and lift up and remove the battery. One important thing to note, that this is a vent tube. It needs to go back onto the battery, but we need it out of the way so we can put the new one in. Your new battery should come with this little 90-degree adapter. It needs to be installed before you install the battery itself, and it's going to go on the ground side terminal. Now that the battery is in place and your vent tube is installed, it's pretty much reverse procedure from here, starting with our battery hold down. Now that your battery is installed and everything's put back together, it's time to verify that the car starts. And as you can see, it does. So I hope this video has helped you out. If it has, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave something in the comment section. And make sure to check out the battery and the link in the description if you need one. Take care, guys, and thanks for watching.